Grab a pack of bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, about 5 or 6 pieces. Pat them dry with paper towels. This step matters because dry skin means crispy, golden perfection in the oven. Place them into a large bowl, and now the fun begins. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then sprinkle in 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon dried thyme, 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes for a little kick, and a big pinch of kosher salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Toss everything together with your hands until every inch of that chicken is coated in flavor. Now, if you don't have thighs, boneless, skinless chicken breasts will still work. Just reduce the baking time. No olive oil. Melted butter works beautifully. Don't skip the paprika though. It gives that deep color and subtle warmth. Cover and let it sit while we build the sauce. Yes, this recipe comes with a rich, creamy pan sauce you'll want to spoon over everything. In a small pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add 4 cloves of minced garlic and sauté just until fragrant. Pour in 3/4 cup of chicken broth and let it bubble gently for 3 minutes. Now stir in 1/2 cup heavy cream, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, and 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese. The sauce should be creamy, smooth, and lightly golden, like something you'd find in a French bistro. If your mouth's already watering, imagine how it tastes with that golden chicken. Go ahead and tap subscribe. Share this with a friend who loves easy, elevated dinners. And let's keep the flavor going. Transfer the seasoned chicken thighs to a baking dish, skin side up. Spoon that luxurious garlic cream sauce around the chicken. Don't cover the top. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes, or until the skin is crispy and the juices run clear. The entire kitchen will smell like roasted garlic, herby butter, and slow melting Parmesan. Oh yes, while the chicken bakes, let's pull together a little something extra because you're not just making dinner, you're serving a full story. For the snack, slice a sweet potato into wedges. Toss with olive oil, sea salt, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Bake on a separate tray at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. No sweet potatoes. Try carrots or butternut squash. Same caramelized edges, same natural sweetness. And now for a bright contrast. The drink. Into a blender, add 2 peeled oranges, 1/2 a lemon, a tablespoon of honey, and 1 cup of cold water. Blend until smooth and strain for a fresh, zesty citrus juice that cuts right through the richness of dinner. It's tangy, slightly sweet, and incredibly refreshing. You can even use pineapple if you're feeling bold. Now pull the chicken out of the oven and just look at that golden skin. Take 1 bite. The crispy top gives way to impossibly juicy, melt-in-your-mouth meat, all soaking in that creamy garlic Parmesan sauce. 1 plate. No talking. Just silence, followed by someone asking if there's more. And there you have it. This is the kind of dinner you bring out when you want to impress without breaking a sweat. If you're still here, you know it's worth it. Subscribe, like, drop a comment if your table went quiet too, and share this story with someone who needs a new go-to recipe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next fun food story.